how do I design apps for foldables or dual screen devices? Or one of the most frequently asked questions that I get alongside is, how do I design for my foldables or dual screens with my single screen app designs? Well, since the launch of Surface Duo, we've been working on building tools and resources for foldables and dual screens. Today, we have a design kit that's available to use from Figma, and apart from the tools that we offer, we also offer resources that's available in the Microsoft documentation page. So all you have to do is just follow 3 simple steps. First, head to Figma. Second, duplicate the kit from the Figma design kit. And third, all you have to do is just head into the kit, start using the resources, and learn more. Of course, this is growing every day, and we would love to have your thoughts and feedback on it. So do check out the resources for more.